Hey there! Today we'll be getting to LAX using the Flyaway bus. Our route this unusually wet morning will include a ride on Metrolink from the Burbank Airport to Los Angeles Union Station, where we will transfer to the LAX FLYAWAY bus with non-stop service to Los Angeles International Airport. Now it may seem like a cruel joke to take the train and then a bus from Burbank Airport to LAX, but it's as far as my wife would drive me. While we wait for our train, how about a fun fact? Burbank Airport is actually the most well-connected airport to commuter and inner-city trains in Southern California. It has not one, but 2 stations that serve it. If you want to see a review of what some say is Los Angeles' worst-kept secret, see my video on the Burbank Airport. Here comes our southbound Metrolink train to Union Station. I used the Metrolink app to purchase my ticket for this journey. You can actually buy a ticket straight to LAX in the app and use your Metrolink ticket to board the Flyaway. The price varies depending on your origin. My price today was $15.75 one way, which included the Metrolink train ticket and the cost of the Flyaway bus. The coach I selected is an older Bombardier bi-level car. If you need power, look for the newer cars made by Hyundai Rotem. The legroom is good, only if there's no one sharing the row with you. For context, I'm 6'4" or 193 centimeters for those of the metric persuasion. The seats in these older cars are in a desperate need of a new upholstery as they are very much stuck in the 90s, but are comfortable enough for the quick 24-minute trip into Union Station. The views down to Union Station are not that exciting other than the historic Glendale Station. Here we are arriving at LA Union Station. All the platforms are connected via walkway under the tracks. There are ramps on either side of the platforms that lead down to the tunnel. When you enter the tunnel, follow signs for the LAX FLYAWAY or Patsaouras Bus Plaza. Originally, I thought Patsaouras was some sort of native dinosaur to Southern California, but apparently it's named after Nick Patsaouras, former board member for various SoCal transportation agencies, which is more appropriate than naming a bus plaza after a dinosaur. The Flyaway bus is a service run by Los Angeles World Airports. There are currently only 2 routes served by the Flyaway, one to Van Nuys in the San Fernando Valley, and this one at Union Station. The bus to and from Union Station runs every 30 minutes, and the door to the bus usually closes 2 minutes before departure. Be sure you stop to look up at the beautiful mural and ceiling. As you exit the lower concourse, you normally can take the escalators up to the bus bays, but due to the weather, they were closed. There are also elevators on your right. Or take my route and simply continue up the ramp to the end. The Flyaway will be in bus bay number 1. There is a ticket window where you can purchase tickets or ask questions. The buses also take contactless payments for most major credit cards on board. You can also purchase a ticket ahead of time using their app or on their website. I've linked more information in the description below. Almost all bags will have to go in the baggage compartment under the bus. There will be a porter who will ask what terminal you are departing from and attach a tag corresponding to that terminal. I'm traveling light and only have a backpack which will fit on board. The buses used by Flyaway are made by Volvo and seem to be quite well taken care of. Seating on board is first come first served. There's a wheelchair lift for those who need it. The seats are comfortable and offer decent legroom. There are reading lights and air vents above each seat. Each row also has a power outlet if you need to charge your device. There's also free Wi-Fi, but I did not test it. The travel time can vary depending on the infamous Los Angeles traffic, but usually takes anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour. There are screens under the small overhead compartments, but they're only there to hold signs if anything. The bus is able to use the express lanes on the freeway, which is one bonus of taking the Flyaway. It feels good to be taking public transportation and zip past traffic for once. Once you arrive at LAX, the driver will call out the terminals, so keep an ear out for that. Overall, the Flyaway bus is a convenient and inexpensive way to reach the airport without asking loved ones for the ultimate favor, a ride to LAX. Thanks for joining me. I'm off to the lounge.